Have you ever wished you could get Zelle payments to your old email and your new phone number without having to switch back and forth? You're not alone. In today's digital world, managing multiple contact points, like a work email, a personal email, and a couple of different phone numbers, is totally normal. But when it comes to financial apps like Zelle, the rules can get a little confusing. Can you actually link all those tokens to one bank account? The short answer is, yes, absolutely, you can. Zelle actually makes it pretty easy to manage multiple email addresses and U.S. mobile phone numbers under a single enrollment. This is a huge convenience, because it means no matter which contact detail your friends or family use, the money will always land in the same checking account. So let's walk through exactly how to set this up. The process is generally the same whether you're using your bank's app or the separate Zelle app. We'll focus on the banking app since that's where most people use Zelle. Step 1. Navigate to Zelle settings. First, you need to be in your primary banking app or online portal. Find the Zelle section and look for a settings option. Sometimes this is represented by a gear icon, a profile tab, or simply called Zelle settings or enrollment. Step 2. Locate your enrolled contacts. Within the Zelle settings menu, you'll see a list of the contact methods you currently have enrolled, usually at least one email or one phone number. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. Add a new mobile number or email. Look for an option to add or add email/mobile. If you're adding an extra email address, you'll type it in, and Zelle will immediately send a verification code to that email inbox. If you're adding an extra U.S. mobile number, you'll type it in, and Zelle will send the verification code via text message. Step 4. Verify and save. Once you receive that unique, 6-digit code, you simply punch it back into the Zelle prompt in your app. After you successfully verify it, the new contact detail is instantly linked to your bank account. You can repeat this process for another email or another phone number, depending on your bank's specific limits. Many banks allow you to link up to 4 total contact points, for example, 2 email addresses and 2 phone numbers, to a single checking account. A critical pro tip. Now, here's the one crucial rule you must remember. You cannot use the same email address or mobile phone number to enroll in Zelle at 2 different banks at the same time. For example, if your personal phone number is enrolled with your Chase account, you cannot also use that exact same number to enroll with your Wells Fargo account. You would need to use a different, unique email or phone number for the second bank account. If you try to use the same one, Zelle will ask you to transfer the enrollment, effectively unlinking it from the first bank. So, to maximize convenience, link all your relevant contact methods to your single, primary bank account. It's a simple process that keeps all your payments flowing to one place, and it's a quick task you can knock out today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.